So remember a couple weeks ago, we showed you that Mace Mead that was like really overpowered. And at the end, I threw in some cinnamon and some allspice berries. Well, guess what? It's been about 3 weeks. Let's see how it is. To do this, we're gonna rack it to a pitcher first. And you've seen us rack before.
If you haven't seen us rack before, I'm going to put a link to the video where we show our racking process in the description below.
Now it's time to taste it. Good healthy pour. It did get a little cloudy from the racking. That'll settle out.
We did have a considerable amount of sediment on the bottom from after pasteurization. We have noticed that pasteurization really does pull a lot of
Drops it right out.
Stuff and pulls it right out. So that helps with clarity and probably for long-term clarity on your bottled product.
Smells really nice.
It is potent. This is definitely a Brian brew because it's spicy.
Ooh. Ooh. That is definitely an improvement over what it was. I don't detect the cinnamon as much as the allspice, which is okay. I like allspice a lot. But the mace seems to have gone a little down.
It makes my nose all
tingly.
Tingly.
It's definitely a metheglin. It's very spicy. Spiceful. It's not even spicy, it's spiceful.
Super.
That's a Brian term for not hot, but it's spicy with spices. So it's spiceful. Get it? We don't have to do an official numbering thing, but for me, this is like an 8 now.
For me, it is less than that.
Wow. See, that's how different tastes can be. And it's okay, because I'll put this on a couple of ice cubes and sip on it and enjoy the heck out of it. But there's a little follow-up in how you can alter something that you might have thought was done. It wasn't really done, and now it's done. Now we're going to bottle it. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.
Bye-bye.